In this video, I'll show you how to install the Downloader app on your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to and open the LG Content Store. Step 3. Search for Downloader. In the search bar, type Downloader. If you don't see it, it may not be available on WebOS directly. Step 4. Alternative method. Use a browser. If Downloader is not available in the LG Content Store, open the built-in web browser on your LG TV. You can visit websites to download APKs or stream content directly. Step 5. Use a USB drive if needed. If you want to sideload apps, download the APK on your computer. Transfer it to a USB drive, then plug it into your TV. Use the TV's file manager or a sideloading app to install it, if your TV supports this. Note: LG Smart TVs use WebOS, which doesn't officially support Downloader like Android TVs do. So, using the browser or USB method is usually the best option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more LG Smart TV tips and tricks.